Mountaineer RV.
This is Matt.
Matt, guess what time it is?
Spring cleaning time?
Spring cleaning time. 'Tis the season.
Yes, it is.
Spring cleaning. Take one. Starts with RV wash.
Premium RV wash at that, Joe.
So Starbright Products has this really awesome RV wash. Really good bubbles. Really gets that dirt and grime off the side of your camper. You agree, Matt?
I do.
All right. Next we have Starbright Extreme Clean.
Extreme clean.
What does this clean, Matt?
Everything.
Everything?
Everything.
Clean the bad taste out of your mouth?
I wouldn't recommend it, but I'd say it would, Joe.
Matt, next we have the Starbright Vinyl Clean. This is really good cleaner for your awning,
Plastics,
rubber,
furniture.
just about anything that's inside the coach and outside the coach, right?
Yes.
Next we have, Matt, the Starbright Citrus Cleaner Degreaser. This is a really good cleaner for those nasty, hard spots inside, outside the coach, correct?
That is correct.
Smells good? What's it smell like, Matt?
Oranges.
Oranges.
It's good for everything from bubble gum to decal.
Hey. So, Matt, the next up is the Starbright Black Streak Remover. What's it clean, Matt?
A little bit of everything, and it'll probably work for that. We'll get back to that over there.
Yeah, let's
but
get
Black
back to that.
Streak is really where we're at.
So the Black Streak is the villain of all coaches, right?
Very true.
You see them all the time running off the gutters and off the roof.
Yep.
You can do this right at the campground.
Just with a
spray
rag.
it on, take a rag, right at the campground. You can do it. You can clean your coach.
No water.
No water.
Just a rag.
Spring cleaning. Take 322. Cheers. Matt, next we have the Reliable Spray Cleaner. This is an all-around awesome cleaner.
Yes.
Right?
General purpose.
General purpose, cleans, you can take this outside of the coach. You can clean your car, you can clean your boat, you can clean your vehicle, whatever it is. Just a really good, also, again, another Black Streak remover.
It is. Yep.
So Matt, it is springtime at the campground. You just opened it up, you may have took your cover off. Hopefully you put a dehumidifier packet inside your coach.
Yes.
The dehumidifier packet, it takes care of these cold nights and warm days. It gets that moisture and a little bit of that smell.
That's correct.
Right? Out of your coach. Matt, next we have the odor absorber.
Yes.
So again, springtime, you're opening your coach up. It may have that little bit of musty smell where it's been closed up all year. These right here do work.
Yes, they do.
They take a lot of odors out, kids, dogs, anything that...
Smoke, mold, mildew.
Exactly.
Yep.
So Matt, that is spring cleaning 101.
Yep.
We have you covered here at Mountaineer RV with all of our products.
That wraps it up.
The Starbright line of cleaning products is awesome. That's why we carry it here at Mountaineer RV.
Yes, everything's in stock.
Hey, let's go cleaning. Let's go camping.
Let's go.